What's up? What's up? Greetings to everybody. Welcome to another video for today. On today's video, I'll be sharing some of my experience that I have had with forex trading and the reasons why I actually stopped trading forex. I just hope this video will be short and straight to the point, but to stick around until the end of this video to actually find out what I am doing right now instead of trading forex. What am I trading? So do stick around until the end of this video if you want to find out what I am trading at this moment. So the reason why I actually left forex, okay, let's actually start the reason why I actually started trading forex. Basically, what inspired me to actually start trading forex, I am a huge fan of the markets. I used to follow markets since back then when I just left school, because I actually did business studies, economics and accounting in school. So that actually gave me an exposure to the markets, that okay, the dollar, the rand, the pound, the euro, how everything works. I was actually interested in actually learning how does those currency actually work and why do we all have different currencies and stuff like that. So that actually made me much more interested in actually learning about foreign currencies and how the market actually works. As I got into learning about currencies, and then I came across forex trading, I was like amazed. Okay, like people actually make money out of just swapping from one currency to another currency, from one rand to another to a dollar. And that actually got me thinking, like, that's easy, anybody can do that. I can just buy a dollar and hold it and just sell it later. That's profit. So that's the first thing that came to my mind. What I did after that was I actually went onto YouTube. I started watching videos on forex trading, and I was like, okay, this is nice, this is cool. And then I kind of stopped for a while. I didn't focus much on it because my attention totally shifted from forex trading onto something else, which is cryptocurrency. I got tangled in the crypto world and stuff like that. And then it so went on. I was like, no man, like I gotta check out this forex trading. People are making money. That's when just forex trading was starting to boom. The likes of Sunny Leshezi were starting to boom in South Africa. And I told myself, like, if a young kid at this age is making so much money, what can stop me from making this money? That was the thought I had. So what I did, I went on YouTube. I started watching videos about forex trading. I started watching how people were selling a luxury lifestyle of forex, about forex trading and how they made millions and stuff like that. I was so attracted and so fascinated by this. I was like, okay, definitely I'm going to start learning about forex trading. So I went on a journey to start learning about forex trading. I learned in such a way, it took me like a whole year to actually even start trading with a demo. Like a whole year, that's what I'm trying to say. And after actually start learning onto the journey and started playing with because I needed to learn how forex trading works. I needed to learn how to use the platform. I needed to learn about the brokers and so much more, the trading times, the sessions. There was so much of learning that I had to undergo, because I had no money to actually pay anybody to say, hey, can you teach me about forex trading? I had no cash, nothing. I had to take it onto my own. I had to take it to myself to be like, okay, I'm going to learn about forex trading and I'm going to do everything it takes for me to actually understand forex trading. So I went on a journey. I went, because I'm based in Pietermaritzburg at this moment, I went from my city to another city to actually attend seminars. And those seminars, they only wanted money from us. Like, hey, if you join our broker, we'll give you signals, we'll give you and that. The only thing you just need to start up with 20K or 30K or 50K. And I had none of that amount of money in my pocket. I was not working at that time. I was just like, okay, I just want to start trading forex and make money. That was the thoughts in my head. So time went by past. I started learning until I met a guy. I think on Facebook I started seeing like, okay, this guy was genuine. He was making profit constantly on his trades. And I was like, okay, dude, I can see that you are really doing well on forex trading. I'm interested. I've been learning myself. I've been watching videos on YouTube about forex trading, but I just don't get the hang of forex as yet. Even though I had started playing with the demo, but it was still not in me as yet, like to actually take good trades and stuff like that. That person sent me a link that, okay, he's selling a course for approximately $100, which I did purchase, and I watched a couple of times, and it started to like sink into me, like, okay, I've bought this course, and it's okay, so I would expect it to bring in some value, some good value, which it did in a way. And I started using those methods and those strategies in my forex trading. After maybe 2 to 3 years, I started actually trading. Like it took me like after 2 to 3 years to actually start for me to actually start trading with a real account. I deposited some, I think approximately $100. I started trading. My first account was actually the account that I actually made quite a lot of, no, well, I wouldn't say I made a lot of money, but I actually made a good amount of profit in such a way. It got to my head like, what, this is easy. Why didn't I start why did I start a long time ago? And then I made a profit for like the first 2 months. The third month, I blew the account. I was like, okay, I need to go back to the drawing board and actually see what mistakes I have made and try to tweak up my strategies. I deposited again, and bang, within a week, I blew that account again. I was like, okay, what am I doing wrong? I went back onto learning. I started asking more questions. I started downloading more PDFs, started reading more. I started listening to more podcasts. I just started consuming more information, which I didn't know that was really bad for me, because now I was starting getting information from this side and this side, trying to combine it together and see how it would actually assist me, which was a very big mistake that I actually made. I deposited again on my third account, and I traded for a month, and I blew it again. I was like, okay, it happens. And I was like, okay. And then I figured out, okay, it's not about just trading forex. Why don't I just jump onto binary trading? I jumped onto binary trading. I made some money within my first week, and in my second week, I blew everything out. And I started thinking to myself, like, I was making money at first. What am I doing wrong right now? I went back and I thought to myself that, okay, fair enough, I'm trading, but I'm not making any money. I'm just putting in money and I'm just losing money. And I've consumed so much content in such a way that I didn't know which strategy to follow and what was it that was making me lose all my money. And I went to start reading about psychology right now. And that's where it actually started to trigger that, okay, my psychology was not right. I had a lot of emotion when it comes to forex trading, because the forex market moves just like that. So my emotions to trading was not on a good level. And then I told myself that, okay, fair enough, I'm trading forex, I'm not making any money, I'm just blowing accounts, and the adrenaline rush is just too much for me. Whenever I open a trade, I'm always second guessing myself. I stop following my strategies. I stop following like everything that I learned. It's just emotions just take over. I keep looking at the chart every time, like, okay, is the trade working? Is it not working? Should I close it? Should I leave it? Will it return? So I just had too many emotions, and I was like, you know what? I can't take this anymore. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep losing money over and over and over again, because I just can't control my emotion when it comes to forex trading. That's the reason why I actually stopped forex trading there and there. I was like, okay, enough with forex trading. It's time for me to return back to my roots where I was. Why I stopped trading forex? It's because I knew it was not working for me, and I could not control my emotions when it comes to forex trading. Fair enough, I had the education, I had the knowledge, but my emotions were just not intact. And then moving on, at first, when I learned about forex trading, like I said, I first dipped into the cryptocurrency market, which I understood at a much more better rate, and it really got to me in such a way that I really loved cryptocurrency more than forex trading. Because why? Cryptocurrency didn't have all these brokers. It was not manipulated by the brokers or by the banks or by government or by the people, which are like the hedge funds and stuff like that. And I really loved it because there was more authenticity in it. Man, that word is kind of hard. And there was much more it was decentralized. That's the thing that really caught me like the most. Like, it was a decentralized market where everybody can just dive in, and the fees were much more lower than the forex market, and the transactions were much more faster than the forex market and stuff like that. And the charts, even though it's quite much higher volatile than the forex market, but the charts respected the trend that it moved in. So at first, like I said, I was into the cryptocurrency trading. I made my money in the cryptocurrency trading space, and then I hopped into forex thinking I can make more money than what I have made in my cryptocurrency trading, which I was wrong, and I blew all the money that I actually made from my cryptocurrency trading or my Bitcoin trading. I put it into forex. I lost all that money, and that was the reason why, like, okay, I'm going to stop trading forex, and now I'm going back into trading cryptocurrency. So at this moment, that's what I'm doing right now. I am I'm mainly focusing on trading cryptocurrency. Forex, I've stopped trading forex some time ago, over a year now, and I'm just solely focusing on trading cryptocurrency. So that's just the reasons why I stopped trading forex. If you are interested in trading cryptocurrency and want to learn more about cryptocurrency, do check out my YouTube channel. I have plenty of other videos that talk about trading cryptocurrency, which I'm still going to be making more videos talking about cryptocurrency and how to actually trade it and how to actually leverage and make money out of cryptocurrency. So from me, Ibrahim Bokazi, don't forget to hit and like this video. I mean, what am I saying? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell, so every time when I do upload a new video, you'll be notified. And please don't forget, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment box. That's where we have our conversation after the videos. The conversation continues in the comment box. And I would like to say thank you for watching until this far. From me, I'm out.